We first migrated our data center network and Wintel servers to a Vblock internal cloud platform in 2011. After 2 stable years, we felt ready to migrate our SAP ERP environment from the legacy platform to virtualized Windows servers and Microsoft SQL Server running on the Vblock internal cloud. We embarked on this project not because of any problems with the legacy platform, but because we saw an opportunity to accelerate our own ambitions. In Dimension Data, we believe in the power of technology to transform organizations, make things work better, and take business to the next level. By taking the lead to transform our own internal IT infrastructure, we're able to make a real difference to our business outcomes, reducing complexity, increasing service levels, and reducing costs. The implementation was not an easy one. Organizationally, we had different internal and vendor teams managing the legacy platform and the Vblock. On the technical side, we were changing pretty much everything below the application itself. The hardware was moving from dedicated RISC to shared virtual Intel servers, the OS changing from Unix to Windows, and the database technology from a legacy platform to SQL Server. Additionally, our ERP system is significantly customized in a few modules. But in the end, after a couple dry runs, the production migration was very smooth. We took the system down on a Friday night, and by Monday morning, it was business as usual, except on a much faster platform.
Real IT transformation involves changing IT operations in a way that boosts productivity and lowers total cost of ownership. It means swift application deployment, higher availability, and lower cost. Converged Infrastructure lets IT shift resources from the tactical to the strategic to deliver greater business agility and enable real IT transformation. As a strategic partner to EMC, it is great that they have led this transformation to a Vblock-powered data center. The customers of Dimension Data can now benefit from this experience as they assist them in their data center transformation.
This massive migration has paid off in many ways. The reduction in maintenance costs more than cover the depreciation of the one-time migration and hardware costs. Our cost of running the platform immediately dropped by 55%. Also, the day we turned off our legacy SAP environment, our overall data center power consumption immediately dropped by 9%, reducing our carbon footprint. Performance was another significant improvement. Our benchmarks before and after the migration showed that batch jobs complete in less than half the time on the new platform. Finally, our disaster recovery times improved tremendously. Previously, it took about 24 hours to recover the system from backup tapes. Now, transaction logs are constantly shipped between the production and DR, so the databases are always in sync. This means disaster recovery can be done in about an hour or so, with essentially no data loss.
Customers are rapidly moving their mission-critical applications to converged infrastructure. It creates huge simplicity and the ability to deploy extremely quickly. And Dimension Data has understood the key benefit of Vblock technology, which is to dramatically reduce the operational cost of running their IT. With time to deployment as little as 45 days, customers are understanding that this is the way to do their infrastructure in future.
Our Vblock internal cloud platform has delivered on all of its promises and expectations. It's been a journey where we've transformed our IT and enabled our business. Since the cutover, the SAP platform and application have had perfect availability. Also, we no longer need to take the system temporarily offline for backups at night, so true availability is considerably improved. This internal experience, plus our deep understanding of the global business and technology landscape, enables us to help our clients accelerate the achievement of their own business ambitions.
Converged infrastructure is transforming how business is deploying and consuming information technology. VCE represents the next generation of converged infrastructure as an architecture that simplifies the delivery of the extraordinary efficiency and business agility of virtualization and cloud computing. Customers can leverage the seamless integration of best-in-class compute, network, and storage technologies with VCE to support their most critical business objectives. Congratulations to Dimension Data on leading this converged infrastructure transformation and for leading it with an EMC VCE solution.